Bring your own
BYD.
bus.
Build your dreams, that's what it means.
Build your bus.
Build your bus, BYD, bring your bubble.
Bring your own bus.
Bring your own bus to the party.
Stop making
Oh, no one laughed at it, so I should say it with more conviction next time.
You laughed.
That's how they started doing BYD. They just said, oh, we'll do a car. Oh, it's going to be better than everything else out there. What do you think of the new Ferrari?
It's,
£500,000.
yeah, no, it's not worth the price tag, and I just think it's radical. I don't really like it. But then again,
It's radical for Ferrari, but not for everything
then
else.
again, remember when the Range Rover that we had latest, I remember when that first came out, and I was like, it's a bit stylish, but you get used to it.
Yeah, but it's not even that extreme compared to others. What it is a cynical attempt to charge a premium price for
It looks like a, you see on Reddit, everyone's like,
but it's,
they were like, well, it's a nice looking guy with a
yeah,
Ferrari badge.
yeah.
And it's just got Johnny Ive's name on
and at the end of it, it's doing their brand no good because the brand itself is cynical. Because they charge absolute premium prices. So then suddenly they've been rumbled because there's no internal combustion engine, so it's perfectly silent. It isn't any faster than any other car out there. It's fast, but you get that off
Yeah.
a 5-year-old Tesla car.
Yeah.
So, for much less than
What,
half a
house?
million.
No, yeah.
It's fun. Yeah, no, that's it.
So it's a cynical attempt to try and cash in on the brand. When
Yeah, but-
they should,
but the
and
problem
everybody
is-
else is no longer doing it for them.
With ourselves.
Whereas Shell is a make them in limited numbers and they're a collectible.
It's huge.
Some bonds, that's where the bonds is. What the bonds specialise in? Just regular general, yeah. The art. Arts and parts. Arts on us.
That's that.
Yeah.
Backwards. Which was, it didn't used to be, we built it.
Yeah. I'm guessing it used to be.
Yeah.
It's not Cathedral Road, I
Was my wife.
Yeah. She said, oh, sorry, I missed your phone call. I said, I didn't call.
So about the best.
She was asleep. But you sent her a message and she was asleep.
Aldersgate Street.
I enjoy making decisions.
Good. Oh,
No, it's still at the end of the after this bridge.
after this bridge. Remember the bridge from the show?
Yeah.